Introducing Personalities Remixed.
Personalities Remixed is more than a book. It's a wake-up call to anyone still stuck in reactive living. The e-colors system strips away judgment and replaces it with self-awareness, real communication, and intentional leadership. This is the blueprint for creating teams, relationships, and lives that actually work. Radoor, international best-selling author of Above Average, coach and serial entrepreneur.
Personalities Remixed is for leaders, educators and trainers, teams of any kind, high performers, HR professionals, coaches, children, students and schools.